It's time to do fractions on a number line. See, it's like a number line. Even though it looks like a face, like sort of, like a mouth. That's probably what I think the mouth would say. Anyway, fractions on a number line. So here we go. Let us first look at this. We have a number line, and we have some points we want to add to the number line. Now, let us do this. First thing we need to look at to see is if there's a whole number. If there's a big number that is in front of the fraction, making it a mixed number. Now, it's a mixed number because one's a whole, it's a complete thing, and the other one's part of it. It's not a full thing. So this one is telling us that we need to start on level 1. It's like you're playing Mario, and you're like, I'm on level 1. You're not on level 0. No. You're on level 1. You don't want to play level 0 again, because 1, there is no level 0. But 2, you made it. You achieved this. Level 1, level 1. Now, you are 1/3 the way through level 1. So, level 1, 1/3 the way through. 3 on the bottom is telling you how many total parts there are. There are 3 total parts. Let us make sure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we are 1/3 the way through. So, we have to go through 1/3 right here. This is where A is, because it is 1 the way through. We could look at it as though it's a bar, okay? So it's a bar here. This is the line up here. This is the line up here. 1/3, if we fill that in, it looks like this. So it is 1/3 the way through. Next one here, we have B. B is 2/3. So again, look at what level we're on. Sadly, we're not on a level. So we have an imaginary 0 in the front. So the 0 tells us we need to start here. And we're going to go 2/3 the way through. 2/3. So there are 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And we're going to go 2 in. 1, 2. So our answer is here. B. Again, if it was drawn like a bar, we have a full bar here. We have 3 sections. 1 section. 2 sections, 3 sections, and it's 2 filled in. 1, 2. 2/3. Lastly, let us look at a problem where we don't have any lines. Now, I want to put A at 3/4. So, first thing we need to know is we need to think how many sections, how many equal parts are there going to be? Okay? How many equal parts will there be on this line? Now, if we look up here again, there were 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. But how many lines did we draw? 1, 2. There were 2 dividers. So if we look here, we want 4 equal parts. So here's 1 equal part, another equal part, another equal part, another. We have 4 equal parts, but we only drew 3 lines to make those 4 equal parts. Now, it's 3/4 the way through. 1, 2, 3. So A would belong right there. So, if you do not have any lines on your number line, look at the bottom number. It tells you how many equal parts there's going to be. So, in this case, there are 4 equal parts. So then you draw the lines to create those 4 equal parts, those equal sections. And then it's the third one in. 1, 2, 3. A. Very good.